Your marketing automation and email marketing software must be secure, fast, scalable, and easy to integrate with your current IT infrastructure. Neoletter is designed to match all of those requirements. Neoletter's API-first architecture and headless technology allow it to be connected to other systems easily, for example to your existing IT landscape and systems like CMS, CRM, ERP, or web shops. As a modern software-as-a-service tool in the cloud, Neoletter runs on the world-class infrastructure of Amazon Web Services. You can save costs and time, because no expensive in-house IT infrastructure or maintenance is required. The software scales with your needs, and offers the highest security standards and maximum performance. Neoletter's availability of over 99.95% is guaranteed by a service-level agreement. The software is GDPR compliant, is operated within the EU and uses data centers that are certified for ISO 27K. To guarantee the highest possible delivery rates for recipients worldwide, Neoletter supports all common standards like the Sender Policy Framework or Domain Keys Identified Mail. Neoletter. Marketing automation and email marketing software from Just Relate.